Hi everyone, my name is Frederico Aranha, but please call me Fred. Welcome to my course, IT Service Quality Management. I am an independent project management and governance consultant. We live in a world where everything is becoming a service. Most of us don't even own cars anymore. We use apps like Uber to get to where we need to go. We can't afford to manage projects based on traditional approaches anymore, because things are changing so fast that old management structures just can't handle it. IT service management is becoming dominant, but to make sure it can handle the load, we need to improve our practices, processes, and approaches constantly. This course's main objective is to enable you to start working with a single integrated approach to IT service management and IT governance, sustained by two pillars: quality management and value streams. Our quality management approach is going to be focused on continual improvement based on practices and procedures implementation. Some of the major topics that we will cover include IT governance structure and key concepts, the ITSM continual improvement model, IT quality management gurus, and the PDCA model, an overview on the COVID implementation methodology and the DMAIC methodology, how you can use value streams to implement and improve practices, how you can manage quality in an agile project based on Scrum roles and events, and an overview on IT governance improvement projects based on value streams and quality management. By the end of the course, you'll have a complete understanding of how IT governance can be delivered through value streams as a service and how you can manage quality based on it. From here, continue your learning by taking our next course in this learning path, defining objectives for IT governance and management, which will offer you insights on how to structure your own practices for ITSM, IT governance, and even project management. I hope you will join me on this journey and learn with me IT services quality management here at Pluralsight.